I need to remove the air box and air intake for a different project that I'm doing. In this video is going to be how to OEM clamps, OEM clamp replacement. These could be reused if you know how to take them off, but we already have the new ones. They're inexpensive at BMW. So let's remove everything and show you how it's done. I like by removing everything that's in my way. So dikes it is. Remove this bad boys up, and after that alright, now that we're taking this piece can come out along with this bad boy. Next thing, air box. A strut brace. Okay, after this we're gonna remove cabin air filter and filter housing. So let's take the wire loom out. It's better to keep this thing together up there. This will just pop out. And next we have 4 screws, but I only have 3. So, and these are T30. Man, they were loose. Alright, this should just go back up. This is heavy. Alright, we can remove the elbow as well. A little bit of tension on that. She's out. Let's look inside. She is a little bit of oily. Alright. Let's disconnect some more stuff. And looks like on the bottom there is a grommet that you just slide out. After you slide it out, there are also 2 screws here. There's one right there and one right there. Those will have to be unscrewed along with this bad boy. And also there is a connection down here. Hard to see, but she's right behind a dipstick, and that one you just have to press on both sides and will come out. Here is better view of that plug. Okay, there she goes. And also rubber grommet over here we have to remove, and then we get to do the clamps. So the grommet that holds this vacuum hose, or actually it's a battery cable, you pull it up. So don't break it, you just pull it up. Next vacuum hose is right here. Okay, those are all done. Next thing to the clamps. I do have special tools that I bought on Amazon. Bunch of different pliers, and I think these ones will help, but let's try it out. Alright, I guess I gotta remove this one to access the clamp as well. This bad boy is right here. Alright, so this is how these clamps clamp on. Basically, it's one hook right here, so you press these, you release them, use a little bit of a screwdriver to pick them up. Pretty much like that. Here we are. So let's take the intake off. Let's see what else we forgot to unbolt on the bottom. Alright, let's go. We gotta clean it anyways. Ooh, she look pretty. Alright, what else we forgot? What else we forgot? Something else on the bottom? No. Oh, there's this bad one on the back. Okay. What else? What else? There's one more cable on the bottom. Alright, that was pain. But this one just pops out. I don't know if you can see, this one just pops out, and on the back there's one more cable that it's kind of hard to see from the top, so you'll just pull that one up. And that's how you remove the air box. I had to spray this with the brake cleaner because I wasn't sure how it comes out, but it just pulls out. Alright, and to install it, basically start with this bad boy, plug him in first, plug this bad boy second, and then screw it in, plug it up here,